network, that is Allah Almighty. Today, my topic of speech is about science. I want to tell you some views about science. The knowledge which is gained by observations and experiments is called science. The modern age is the age of science. Science is very better for us to take information about every kind of activities. The science is very interesting subject only if we act on it. The other foreign countries have made their lives easier by it. It's like a big sea. By science, the world has become for us global. Science has achieved great success in the field of medicines. In surgery, science has also worked. Electricity is the biggest and the greatest invention of science. The today's world is completely changed by science.